Very nice drive. Amazing. Like the video, guys. Oh, it has been fallen again. Now let's drive the truck again, guys. Wow. Now let's take the vehicle out of the truck and now let's take it to the road. Wow. Amazing. Oh, it has been fallen. Wow, in the bucket. Now this one is truck. Oh no, it has been fallen down. Now let's see train, guys. Wow, amazing train. Oh no. It has been fallen in the bucket. Wow, very nice car. Wow. Oh, it has been fallen too, guys. Now let's see what is next. Oh, truck. Now truck is going to take some more toys to fall them in the bucket, guys. Wow. What is that? Amazing, beautiful toys. Wow, this is road roller, guys. Now what is that? Oh, JCB of orange color. Wow, very nice JCB, guys. You can see bed. Wow, this is flying. This is helicopter of yellow color. It is flying, guys. Oh my god. Cow. What is the cow doing inside the track of the train, guys? And there is one more animal, guys. Oh my god, baby. Oh my god, train is moving, guys. You can see. Let's remove the baby from the track of the train. Oh, there is one more baby, guys. Oh no, guys, train has been fallen from its track. Now let's keep it on its track, guys. Wow, it is moving. Now let's see the cow, guys. Wow, very amazing cow of white color and black color, guys. Wow. Now let's take the cow out of the track. Wow. Now this is what? Oh my god, elephant. Very amazing elephant, guys. Very beautiful elephant, guys. It is also coming out of train's track. Oh no, train has come. Wow, it has come out of the track. Wow, very amazing task. Oh my god, amazing.